Hey everyone, welcome back. Tonight I'm working on my Maxian again. This has the Polini 64cc kit with the Malossi reed block. Tonight I want to build a new intake for it. I have a VM18 and I want to make a new intake for it. I'm going to use some steel stock and a handlebar and a little shim. First thing I'm going to do is place the gasket on the metal and trace it. First thing I'm going to do is drill a little pilot hole right in the middle, and then I'm going to step it in with a unibit. Now I'm going to step it up with a unibit. The handlebar actually fits down just a hair into the intake. Now I just need to drill the bolt holes. I'm going to mark these with an auto punch. Okay. I'm going to clean these up just a little. Okay. There we go. Now I'm going to trim this off. I want to test fit the plate before I weld on the tube. Now you have to kind of visualize how you're going to do the intake. For the first cut, I'm actually going to use a pipe cutter. Okay. Alright. So now you just kind of have to line up and figure out where you're going to want the carb. These are old handlebars from an old moped, so they're great for reusing, making intakes, things like that. Let's see. Sit like that. And like that. Since this is a chrome handlebar, be sure to sand off the chrome on the edge so it welds better. The one thing you do need is this little metal shim. I turned these on a lathe. I have a bunch of them and they allow me to turn handlebars into VM18 intakes. I have a Hobart Handler 140 that works great. I just welded a little shim onto the end of it to meet up with the VM18. Now, figure out where you want this. I want it right about there. And I'm just gonna make a little mark. I am pretty happy with this. It's not perfect. It's not a crank pipe intake by any means, but it'll do the trick for me. I'm just going to clean up the edges a little bit and flatten it on the bottom. Bottom's nice and flat. There we go. Perfect. It's that easy to make an intake. The whole process took me about 40 minutes. I hope this video helped you. Let me know if it did in the comments. Be sure to like and subscribe.